Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Emmiol orders, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Emmiol orders. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. If you have ordered the wrong product by mistake or do not need the items anymore, you might want to cancel your order. Yes, you can cancel or update your order from Emmiol, but you need to make sure to cancel the order immediately. Once the order is processed, the cancellation window will close automatically. Check the order status. Ensure the order is still under process. Write an email requesting the cancellation of the order. Mention your order details and the reason in the email. After composing the mail, send it to support@emmiol.com. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your Emmiol orders. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.